We'll get pictures as well with anyone else who didn't get a chance, but here we are. This is the bridge. This is where we navigate the ship. This place is manned 24/7. Ever since our company took command or took ownership of the ship, cost $1.5 billion to purchase, yeah. There's been an officer, at least one officer on the bridge all the time. Why do we do that? Well, that's because we're not only navigating the ship, but we're also the emergency response center, okay? Safety command center, you might hear those terms throughout your month on board here. For $1.5 billion, you get the F1 racing package. So we have our F1 steering wheel right here. This is the wheel of the ship. Okay, so not the big wheel that you would think of like in the movies, but this is where we steer the ship from. And the ship is unique because it has what we call azipods. So instead of having a propeller and a rudder like you would think a ship, we actually only have a propeller and we turn the propeller 360 degrees. And that's what an azipod is. On this ship we have 3 azipods, and those azipods are giving us about 80,000 horsepower on the back of the ship. At the front of the ship, we have 4 bow thrusters, and the 4 bow thrusters give us 30,000 horsepower at the front. When the ship is moving from port to port, we only use the azipods. That's what's propelling us or pulling us through the water. When we dock the ship, then we engage the bow thrusters as well. As you can see, there's a lot of screens that are duplicated, and that's because the whole philosophy up here is that we are all human beings navigating the ship. Every human being will at some time make a mistake, right? But as a team, we're 100%. So whenever one person does something, there's another person